So this segment of the video is going to cover the login, my dashboard, and how to add courses. So the first screen you're going to see after you log in as an instructor is this screen. As you can see here, it clearly tells that your role is instructor here. And this is the name of your account. And we are currently under my dashboard. That is what the screen is. This screen may come pre-populated with some coursework. Like for example, like this is a different account. But since we are starting with a very fresh account, there is no pre-populated courses. But sometimes we do pre-populate, in which case you may see some courses here. One of the first things as an instructor you would like to do is to add a new course in which you want to enroll your students. For this, you need to click this Add Course button. This is going to ask for some details about your course. So it's going to ask for a title. Let me say this is a demo course. You can often upload a course image. So let's do that. So here are some course images. I'm just going to select one of these. So let's select this image and open. So it has uploaded the image. This is a very important field, the enrollment type. So pay attention. There are two types of enrollments you can do. One is called an open enrollment. Another is a moderated enrollment. What open enrollment means is that you don't have control over who are going to sign up into this particular course. That is, it is open. Anyone who signs up can enroll into your course. Very often the type which you should choose will be moderated, where you control who is enrolled in your own course. That is, students can enroll into this course only with your permission. How are permissions given? We'll get to it shortly. So again, reiterating, you give a title, you can upload a course image, and you have to choose an enrollment type which is open. That means it is open for everyone who can directly join into your course, or moderated, which means you control who can join in your course. So with this, we are adding a course. So once you add a course, it is going to take you inside that course page. But if you like to see how the course is going to appear, you can go back again to my dashboard here. And here, as you can see, this course has appeared with this image, with the title, and two buttons called Manage Course as well as Publish. This Publish is again a very important button. So again, pay attention. You need to publish a course for your students to be able to see that course. But many times you want to tinker with the course, making it ready where you don't want the students to see the course yet, in which case keep it in the state where it is unpublished. Currently it is not published. We will come to publish a little while later. Suppose after you created this course, you had changed your mind that you actually want to make it an open course. You can go to this Manage Course, where it is again going to show you the same screen. And here you can change it to open and do update, in which case this becomes an open course. This same screen can also be accessed within this page, where scroll down a bit, there is something called settings here. So when you click on settings also, you can see this screen. And again, if you wish, you can change it to moderated and update it. In other words, this course settings can be accessed via my dashboard under Manage Course, or via course management within this page under settings.